Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning brand new Audi A6 e-tron Sportback. Both on the driver's side and passenger side, you have the AC and DC charging access point, as well as an 11 kilowatt onboard charger. This car comes dressed in the Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road. To the side of the car's profile, proudly standing on 21-inch alloy wheels with the multi-spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish and comfortable cloth upholstery, a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual skateboard dash. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery and front centre armrest for extra support and comfort. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device, and the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. Now, if you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into navigation to help you easily find your desired destination. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, with the choices of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points, as well as the Audi phone box with wireless charging, 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This brand new Audi A6 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.